Ngayong adlaw mga kabrad and sis, welcome sa akong YouTube channel. Salamat kayo sa pag-subaybay o pag-suporta kaninyo sa kanunay. Labi na sa pag-like, live, and share. So karon, another challenge na po ang niabot sa atong followers. Shout out ko ni Junjun Orlanes sa kayang pag-request sa Against the Odds nga kanta. Honestly, dili ko na ko siya pamilya pero katugyan po na siyang iduyog para sa ato ang tanan, sa atong kalingawan. How can I just let you walk away? It's just belief without a trace. When I still believe every breath with you. Ooh, you're the only one who really knew it all. How can you just walk away from me? When you all I do is what you live. 'Cause we've shared the laughter and the pain, and even shared the tears. You're the only one who really need it all. So take a look at me now. It's just an empty space. And there's nothing left me to remind me, and just the memories of your face. Take a look at me now. It's just an empty space. You coming back to me as you get off out, and that's what I gotta face. I wish that I could just be turn around and see me cry. There's so much I need to say to you, so many reasons why. You're the only one who really knew it all. So look at me now. It's just an empty space, and there's nothing left here to remind me, and just a memory face. Take a look at me now. It's just an empty space, and you coming back to me as I get off on, and that's what I gotta face. Salamat kayo mga kabrad and sis. Si Jack Ayo kay sama sa kong giingon nga hindi ako familiar ang lyrics but at least naduyog na to. So don't forget mga kabrad and sis sa pag-subaybay, pag-like and share sa ako ang channel. God bless you all and happy lang gyud sa kanunay. Bye bye.